Hello, I'm Steve Barsick-Amstel with High Tech Design Safety. This is our ongoing series of training videos about SIMI S2 safety guidelines for semiconductor equipment. And the intention is to provide you and your team the information so that you can design, build, and implement equipment safely. Currently, we're still in section 9 and we're on the last part, so here we go. Very exciting. This is section 9.7, which is fire protection and detection. This is a great section, mainly because we can really dig in here for you. SIMI S14 is the related standard, which talks about how to quantify the risks of fire within the equipment. This section requires that you provide data on those risks and a summary report of those risks. Additionally, in this section, you want to provide details on the standard features of your equipment for fire prevention, detection, and suppression, and additionally provide details on any optional fire detection or suppression devices that can be purchased with your equipment. This will deal really deeply into alarms and signaling and fire alarms and strobes and all those neat things that are fun to deal with. And we'll get deep into those as we go through the fire protection section of SIMI S2. For now though, we'll have to document all that material, the manuals for the fire detection equipment, the manuals for the fire suppression equipment, and a summary of the risks will need to be provided to the end user in this section of S2. Please like and subscribe below. And if you have questions about fire suppression, detection, risk assessment, or risk management for semiconductor equipment, and or need a full S2 or S14 evaluation, please get in touch with me at High Tech Design Safety.